just opened up. Ice cream.
And then you get that crunch. It kind of tastes like a green tea Kit Kat bar almost. Very malty.
Am I able to try a bite of the red chili curry?
Let's do it, yeah.
Just because it's one of the last chance ones.
Yeah, this one, once we're out of it, we're out of it forever. You want to try it as well?
I'm okay.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
All right.
She's the sweet tooth here.
Ooh, okay. This one's a little sweeter, yeah, actually. Love that chocolate
cool,
in
though.
there. A little bit of excitement right at the end.
Oh, I really like that
Oh
one.
yeah.
Okay, I am going to do the Great Candy Copia though as a scoop. Is it possible to get it in one of those fresh waffle cones?
Of course it is.
They just smell way too good. I think I'd regret it if I didn't get one of those.
Feel that. All right.
I'm gonna do the strawberry honey balsamic. That was really good.
I was pretty sure that's where you were going to end up.
Yes, please.
All right, so here's ours right here.
Oh, I bet you that's good with since it's a fresh.
I like your shirt.